Welcome, in front of me is an LG K40 and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through the recovery mode. So start off by powering off the phones by holding the power key, then select power off and once more tap on power off. Now wait for the device to shut off, and once it has we will hold volume down and power key till you see the LG logo, and then we will release the power key and start holding it again. So just gonna start right now. And from here you want to just select yes using volume keys and confirming with power key like this. And once more. And now let's wait for the process to go through. I'll just be patient, might take a couple minutes. And once it's finished, we'll be greeted by the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. I'm gonna go to the setup really quickly. And as you can see, now the setup process is finished and you're ready to use your device once more. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.